So you've been waiting for the right moment to fill that hole in your toolbox. On the 30th of May, your waiting ends and Toolapalooza begins. With new tools from Toolpro, Kincrone, DeWalt, Dremel and more. It's the tool sale you've been waiting for. So in 4 simple steps, here's how to save heaps on tools with Supercheap Auto's Toolapalooza sale. Step 1. Make a list. Exactly what size is that hole in your toolbox? Impact wrench? 12-volt drill? Is it a whole drawer that's begging for a spanner or socket set? Is there a shadow where some jack stands should be? Or an empty shelf waiting for a welder? You'll find all of this and more in the Toolapalooza sale. So make yourself a list and then, step 2, narrow it down. Of course, there's more than just one impact wrench, socket set and tool cabinet to choose from in the Toolapalooza sale. So it's time to narrow down your options. You can shop the sale online and compare features and benefits, or get hands-on at your local Supercheap Auto store. Now for step 3, let's save some money. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the end of financial year sales and filled those vacant spaces in the toolbox or shed. Your year ahead is looking productive. But there's one thing left to do. It's step 4. Count your savings. What do you know? Your savings happen to be exactly the cost of that new 18-volt brushless reciprocating saw. Is it fate? Or is it the magic of the tool sale you've been waiting for? Toolapalooza, just another way to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Starts May 30 only at Supercheap Auto.